Hello and welcome for part 3 of my little Vespa series on YouTube for sampling a Classic Vespa GS 150. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect the cables and the rear light. First I'm going to start with connecting the brass clips for the foot brake pedal. With a little bit of solder, the old original clips will hold, hopefully. I'm using new bolts for a few fans, and you can do the adjustification later. Now I'm putting on the foot brake pedal and secure it with this splint, and then it will stay in position. Let's take a look on installing the shock absorber for the rear. Quite simple. Put it in position and tighten the screw nuts, not too heavy, because you later secure the tank also with these bolts here. And the rear light, let's see, the blue cable goes to the blue cable goes to the brake light, and the black cable goes to the rear light. The M5 screws should hold the rear light case in position, and I'm using the original wing nuts from the inside. Okay, don't forget the cap, and also don't forget the bulbs. I forgot them. Yeah, I hadn't them in stock when I filmed. Yeah, thanks for watching and stay tuned for part 3 of my little Vespa video series.